Well, hey everyone, welcome to this video. It is an awesome day and we've done some great flying, as you guys will see. I'm gonna get the AL-37 up in the air. I got the Carbon Trojan. There's a lot of cool experimental airplanes out here and we're gonna have a blast, so stay tuned.
Alright.
I'm not even allowed to have 2 seats in.
And you can fly.
Yeah, I know, but cracked out sounds about alright.
You can totally fly. This is easier to fly.
That's too long. That's cool. Oh, that was awesome. Full flaps, landing gear down. Okay, let's see if I can make that landing a little better. That was a terrible landing on the last one. That's accurate. Beautiful.
Oh, nice landing, yay!
That's nice. Taxi. Alright, there it is.
That's quite nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this battery all the way up in the nose. What, the airliner? Oh, driving next level. let's take off. Take off. I'm gonna put the elevator into low rates here. Ailerons in low rate. And flaps up. And bring it by for some low passes here. You can see those lights. I have everything in low rate, so I may actually lower the rates even more. Just put that 100% will be like. Okay. Oh, easy landing. What a great little airplane.
Smooth.
Do another, like a low pass, right? Do another low pass, yeah.
No showboating yet. We're on a mission. Yeah. Okay. Landing in 1 minute. Then we'll get the other.
And you have the glider guy going behind our heads here. He's high. You're fine. All right. So nice. I'm gonna get close. Okay. Oh, it looks like you're getting close to it.
Ramen's going.
Okay, I want to just check the center of gravity real quick here. So this is the first flight on my AL-37, which is a 737 MAX. I just put the Cali graphics on it and painted the whole thing gray, put some Minwax on it, so I'm just hoping that I'll have a good flight here. I have full travels this time.
Don't worry, Dad. If you crash it, I will definitely
We will film it if we crash. Okay. Look, Aiden's gonna take it to... Okay. Oh man, that airplane looks so freaking good, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. You did
Please
a good
don't
job.
crash.
That was too close up.
And now for Aiden. Aiden Poe's newest product. It's better than a hat. It's a chair on your head.
Stressful flying this thing. Okay, I'm gonna go full flaps like I did before. And landing flaps on. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit here. This is the way I like to fly it. Slower.
That was cool.
Full speed. Oh.
Whoa!
Gyro! Gyro gain!
Spicy!
Shoots the gains on it and it starts to have a feedback loop basically.
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm bring it around one more time and then I'm going to land.
All right.
A little fast.
Here she comes.
Put your fingers in there.
That's dope. This looks crazy. Yes. All right. All right, same as before. This is not the greatest drop in the world.
Hey, with Josh, you get an extra 3 feet on your launch, man.
That's why I'm here. Ready, Josh?
Yes,
We're just
sir.
gonna do the same thing as before.
Yes, sir.
Yay. I'm gonna throttle up. You do your thing.
Yes, sir. Hi, Volker.
Oh, hey.
Hi, Ricka.
Yeah, buddy.
Sure. I'm gonna do 180 degrees. Come back towards us, and then let you go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, drop. Hey! Oh, yeah! Spin around, Timmy.
That was sick.
That was perfect.
Oh my gosh. It's like you guys know what you're doing and everything.
We fake it pretty good, don't we?
Just touch it down, Timmy. I'll go get it.
Motor on that thing, huh?
Nope, just a glider.
This is just
a test shot.
Wow. That worked. It worked.
All right,
That
bring
was
her
a
in.
smooth. That was so smooth, man. That was so smooth.
Dropped and went behind you. You just did a flip and went behind. So you were going this.
Wire it up. Okay.
Ian can launch upside down.
Yeah, once it's back, it's nice and solid. So once it's in the air, it'll be good.
Photo runs or any of that.
Go straight
I'm
for
gonna go up.
business.
I'm gonna go out.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Ready, Josh? I'm gonna throttle up. You want
Give
to
her full power, Ian.
Josh, let go, dude.
A tailwind right now. She looks great.
Ready? Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1. Release.
I'm free.
It's free. I felt the jitter.
Yep. And, oh, I'm good. I'm arming it and fire.
I couldn't. No. They have no control.
Servos, you can control it.
I got it.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a
The rocket ignited. It just kept going, and it just hit the ground. I don't think he had any control. Oh.
Remember, I freaking told you.
Speed? Yeah, it was around like 300.
Nice.
What's crazy is that sounded great.
It was epic, dude.
I saw so everyone was screaming. I was like, I gotta see this. So I took the goggles off and I just saw him hit the ground.
Is that gonna take you?
Look at the lipo.
Wow, dude.
I've never seen something like that.
Yeah.
Wow, it runs.
Wow,
Wow, that's.
Smash it up.
yeah. Whenever you're ready. Oh, that was pretty.
I wasn't super excited unless we were going on.
Stop it. Stop it.